Mom might be dying and boyfriend isn't being supportive due to being sad about seeing his ex. Edit. Trigger warning. Rape. Sorry, I should have added this from the get-go. My mom, 45F, has a lot of chronic diseases. She's been sick a lot lately, so I went to go see her. I didn't expect to find her in the bad state that she was in. She told me that 10 years ago, the house she lived in with her boyfriend was broken into and the perpetrators raped her in front of him for hours. She said that the rapists gave her HIV. I was living in another country with my grandparents at the time. I think she wanted to get this off her chest because she thought she was dying. She's literally being in and out of hospital for a while. She took a turn for the worse and we rushed her to the hospital where she was admitted into intensive care. After I left the hospital, I went straight to my boyfriend's house because God knows I needed some hugs and love. When I got there, he was acting weird. I tried to kiss him and he said not now. Obviously I was in a state at the time, but I could see that he wasn't okay. I was worried cause his parents are sick too and maybe something happened. I asked him what's wrong multiple times and he wouldn't tell me. I think I kind of just reached the end of my rope and I left to stay with my dad. I was expecting him to be supportive because I'd told him everything that was happening. I texted him to try and resolve this and he kept saying everything's fine. Then he changed his tune and said he doesn't want to worry me in this tough time and that he just wants to be there for me. Obviously this isn't the case and I told him this. He wasn't supportive at all when I got to his place. I was thinking maybe something happened in his family. He could have just told me and we could have been sad together, you know? Well, eventually he tells me he saw his ex in town and it brought up some memories. But, firstly, you were being an A for no reason and you could have just told me. He made things worse by trying to keep it from me. Instead of worrying about my mom, now I had to worry about him too. Secondly, why is he sad about seeing his ex? Is this normal? We've been dating for 7 months, is this a sign he still has feelings for her? I just can't believe I have to deal with this and the stress of my dad at the same time. What happened to your mother was truly horrendous. I hope those men are castrated, in prison, or in the depths of hell. For clarification, is your boyfriend or your dad the one you need to worry about? Because that last statement made it feel like your dad was going through something, but your boyfriend is the one who saw his ex. I'm going to answer under the assumption that your boyfriend's being the jackass. Tell him to give you some space and focus on your mother. Clearly she's more important. I'm not sure what the whole ordeal with your father is, but he's not important. Treat him with respect and act normal around him because it's clear he doesn't care. God bless you. He wants to compare seeing an ex to your mom dying? What an To say he's incredibly immature is an understatement. Dump him. You need someone who is loving and supportive, not worrying about his ex. He's telling you that his ex is more important than your dying mother. Get rid of him. So you are going through probably the biggest crisis of your life right now, but he's got to ignore that and focus on being upset about seeing his ex? Talk about making this all about himself. You've been with him for 7 months. I think it's safe to say it's time to call it. If he can't give you support with what will likely and hopefully be the worst period in your life, then he can just F right off. Focus on yourself and your family right now, girl. You don't need to be worrying about someone else right now when they should be helping you. But now you can't count on him. Your mom is dying and he couldn't put aside his emotions to comfort you? Death is forever, anger is not. Your ex's feelings are valid as are yours. He probably isn't as okay as he thought. Seeing your ex can stir up memories and make him revisit negative feelings. While your situation is devastating, that doesn't give you the automatic okay to disregard his. You're both hurting, so it's best to give each other space. He needs to process his shit and so do you. Was your BF's relationship or breakup with his ex abusive or traumatic? Might just be bad timing that you two were both in bad emotional spots at the same time and weren't able to be there for each other. I'm sorry for what is going on with your mother and hope that she pulls through. Reddit really loves to throw out the breakup card with so little info. What happened when you were at his place? Did he ignore your problems and just push you away? Or did you tell him what was wrong and he seemed off and just refused to tell you? It seems like you knew something was wrong and he wouldn't tell you, so you got pissed off and left. Did he comfort you at all? Say he was sorry and hoped your mom would be all right? All I know is people aren't perfect and people here don't know your BF. Only you can judge him. I hope your mom is okay and that your relationship is, too. Please don't end it based solely on this interaction. Rephrased, he was trying to focus on you but acting weird because something was wrong with him. Trying to ignore his emotional state for your sake and failed. I guess that can be called lying, but he knew his problem wasn't important next to your problem. Can you forgive him for the action of seeming strange and appreciate the intention? Seeing an ex making him sad doesn't seem all that odd to me. I don't know what their relationship looked like or why he was sad. Seeing her had just happened. He said he was processing it all when you came in and your issue is so very serious. It's a lot to take in. I believe him. Break up with him. Easier said than done and you'll find excuses to make in your head, but trust me, he is not over her. He sounds super young. He's super young. How old is this guy op? He must have some serious unresolved issues if seeing his ex makes him that bent out of shape. No matter how he much apologizes. That would personally make me uncomfortable with things. It's also a telling sign that he's probably the type to act this way during hard times. What a shitty boyfriend you have. He's all down in the mouth because the poor baby saw his ex. Oh wow. Disaster. You deserve better. You know you do. You don't have to worry about him. He's a grown man. Yes, if seeing his ex puts him in a bad mood, he's not ready to move on. Devil advocate here. Brought up some memories. That's way too vague. That could be from, I still have feeling for her, like most of the people here implied, to, she abused me, in way that he also could be a victim like your mother. So, you need to ask him about the nitty-gritty before taking any decision. Y'all both need to sit down and talk about this when feelings simmer down. Maybe his ex treated him extremely poorly, maybe abuse. That doesn't negate your feelings either, though. See what about that situation made him so upset, proceed from there. What kind of memories? Like abusive cause, that would be understandable, or, oh God I miss her. The latter would make me dump him. I'm sorry you're going through all this. Time to move on. If he can't support you now, he won't in the future either. Some guys just can't. Especially when you need them a lot. It freaks them out or something. Talk is cheap. Professor if I his actions. And yes, he's still hung up on his ex. GTFO while you can. Your original post is quite deceptive. You admit in another comment that he had a toxic and physically abusive relationship with his ex, so why didn't you think it was relevant information to put in the post? You do realize that most people would just think that he was hung up over an ex, instead of giving him the benefit of the doubt, right? Of course, randomly coming across an abusive ex would be a traumatic experience for him. He even tried to put his feelings aside to try to be more supportive, but even that's not enough. Obviously, the situation with your mother is objectively more traumatic, but he's not a robot who can just repress his trauma-induced reaction on seeing a physically abusive ex at a moment's notice. I'm sorry, but he's not the only one who fucked up here. Yep, he's still got feelings for old girl. SMHIDK, why he just couldn't be honest with about it. I'm truly sorry about your mother. I think worrying about your boyfriend and his ex-girlfriend is much less important than thinking about your mother and being there for her in her time of need. Let him alone. Go be with your mother. Give her the hugs and kisses. If your boyfriend really loves and wants to be there for you, he'll be there. And if he's not, the hell with him. I can't even begin to imagine what you're going through with your family, so any advice I could imagine would more than likely be pretty useless to you, sorry. But in regards to the boyfriend, tell him how what he's doing makes you feel. If he can't put aside his own petty problems to help comfort you through such a crisis, then you're better off without him. Hope this helps in some way, however small. All the best. We've been dating for 7 months, is this a sign he still has feelings for her? Your relationship with him is still fresh. Do you perhaps know how the relationship with his ex ended? Was he the one who broke it over his ex? Maybe he didn't get full closure that he needed when they broke up, which may be the lead for the sadness of him seeing her. However, this doesn't excuse his behavior in any shape, way or form. He needs to put this feeling aside and support you. I wish you so much strength. I lost my mom, so I know how scared you must be right now. I will pray for you and your mother. Much love, Heart. This is a bit of an extreme comparison, but hear me out. If he doesn't support you now with your mum dying because it's essentially inconvenient for him, what would he do if you had children together? I read another post recently where the husband didn't sit next to the wife during birth because the chair was uncomfortable, wouldn't rub her back when she was in pain, would whine about her being in hospital for high blood pressure because he had to look after the kids. Selfish people are often always selfish. I don't have enough info about your boyfriend from your post to know if he's selfish, but maybe reading this will make you think twice about some things he does. Your boyfriend saw his ex, and realized he still has feelings, and being with you makes him feel like he is cheating on her, but he does not want to say that because you're in a bad place. Let him go and focus on you and your mom. Using him for any support will only prolong the situation. Please put a trigger warning in your posts if you're mentioning rape. I did not need to see this at 9 a.m. Confounded face. You know, I've had really shitty friends and a fake boyfriend. But one thing I've promised myself is that I would never let them bring me down. They may have wasted my high school year, but I'm just gonna keep my chin up and keep on keeping on. Hell, when I see them, rarely, I think nothing of it, and it's funny watching them glare at me, so full of themselves. Your boyfriend needs to get over his ex, he's let her win. But come on. He still should have been there for you regardless. I'm so sorry about what happened with your mom. I hope she recovers. When my dad was dying, my shit ex made it all about him. I wish now I'd told him to fuck off and dumped him, but I was in such misery during that time I let him treat me like crap over and over again, even during the worst time of my life. I absolutely would leave your guy over this. It just shows who he is when things are at a low for you. To me it doesn't sound like he's an ass. Sounds like he's weak and cowardly. He's not a reliable partner for the long term for sure. He came up with some excuses to avoiding being supportive. I would say GTE rid of him, but make sure it's for the right reason. When my grandpa died, I desperately kept trying to call my boyfriend to get some comfort because I had only one other friend besides him. He almost refused to comfort me because it was the same day as his parents' wedding anniversary and he refused to be sad on that day. Because he was being useless, I called up my best friend and he comforted me the entire day for hours. I brought that up with my boyfriend later and he decided to accuse me of cheating on him with my best friend. With no proof. Despite the fact that we had never met and we were completely platonic at the time. I'm gonna be honest, I blamed myself for it all and internalized the blame and took him back. 2 months later he cheated on me and dumped me before I found out. Take of that what you will. My ex broke up with me 3 years ago. And to this day I still miss her. It's weird because I still hate that lying cheater. But she was also my first love, so they're a part of me that will always miss her. It's normal to have feelings. Your boyfriend needed to process some unexpected feelings. He's not putting his feelings over your mom. He tried not to tell you. Sounds like he was waiting for a better time to tell you. Reddit likes to jump to break up as soon as somebody isn't perfect. This is not a deal breaker. He was dealing with a lot. And I understand that your mom is more important. But you having a bigger problem doesn't mean his problem doesn't exist. Please just give it time. Talk, not argue, things out with him. I don't think it matter how long you've been dating. 3 months or 5 years. This was and continues to be super shady and unsupported behavior on his part. I'd have a hard time looking past this. Don't worry about boyfriend, he is an absolute fucking moronic child if he thinks his bullshit woes about his ex are on par with what you're dealing with. Some people don't grow up, they only get taller. 1. He's not over his ex. 2. He's so selfish that he thinks that seeing an ex is comparable to having a very sick parent. You shouldn't be dealing with all this stress. Dumb the stressful boyfriend. People are allowed to have emotions. This isn't a damn contest. His emotions clearly don't mean anything to you. You are having the problem, because your mom is sick, so you need to be important. He isn't allowed to feel some way. You provide no context as to what emotions. Fear, jealousy, PTSD, love, nothing. Fuck you for hating on his emotional state. This kind of shit is why he hid what the fuck was going on to begin with. You could be asking him all these questions, but you've made this about you. I don't think I've honestly hated someone over the internet before this post. He did this on purpose. He can't stand that your attention is somewhere other than him, so he found something to get under your skin and force you to pay attention to him. He doesn't give any shits about seeing his ex. It's entirely possible he came up with that reason for his behavior after the fact. He acted cold and played this game with you for no reason other than to get the attention he wanted.